So guys, this is our setup and plan for today, and first and foremost is gold. We go for gold. First and foremost, we have to understand our external and internal market structure to understand where the market is moving, either downtrend or uptrend. So our approach today, we have two approaches. The first one is going to be the day trading approach, and the second one is going to be the intraday trading approach. For the day trading approach, you're going to understand that the market is moving to the upside. Had the breakout structure, then you had the breakout structure to the upside, then you had a change of character to the downside. That means this was our last break of structure to the upside, and it's still internal market structure. It's a break of structure, not a change of character, break of structure. Then from there, then we had our change of character to the downside. We had a change of character to the downside. Break of structure to the continuation. Then we had to move down to 15 minutes for our internal market structure. From here, we had a continuation break of structure to the upside, to the downside. Then we had a break of structure to the upside, continuation, right? And then from there, we had our order block. We have our order block, which is down here. And then we had our Asian session liquidity swept. And then from there, we had the sweep. Then you had our final confirmation from this candle break. This was our final confirmation. And then the price came back, tapped in. Now we are currently buying this. Our stop loss just below this. And then our take profit. One, two, three. Now we are in. We are in this trade. Let's get to it. Then GBP USD. First and foremost is market structure. External market structure is moving up. The external market structure is moving up. We have a break of structure to the upside. Then you have a liquidation to the upside. But if you go down to 15 minutes, you understand that this was our break of structure to the upside. Then you had a change of character to the downside, continuation to the downside. Then from here, we're expecting the price to come and break below this with a candle close. So in this position, we're going to go for our intraday trading strategy approach. So we're going to wait for the price to come and sweep this Asian high, and then we look for buy for sell confirmation from 1 minute time frame. Then you're going to wait for this. Then you wait for the change of character. Then you continue selling it. That will be our approach. And for EU, super simple trade. Market structure. You can understand here that we had our last break of structure to the upside. Then you had a change of character to the downside. Then you had a break of structure to the upside, change of character to the upside again. And then you had the change of character to the downside again. And you can see from this area, had a very clean trade from here. From this breaker block. From this breaker block, had a clean trade. It was a break. It tested then a continuation of the downside. Then from here, we had our break of structure to the downside, continuation, and then you have to move down to our internal market structure. You can see this was not a complete, it was not a valid. There's a valid one from here. The break of structure to the continuation to the downside. And then from here you can see that you didn't have a clean pullback from these of any pullback from here. One, no clear pullback. That means our last sell breakup order block that led to the break, it's this one. It's there. And for scenario number one, that's the day trading approach. And the intraday trading approach, you're going to wait for the price to come here, sweep this Asian high, and wait for the price to come back here, sweep this Asian high, then tap into our sell order block. Then we look for sell confirmation, and we continue selling that. For GBP, JPY, super simple. For GBP, JPY, don't use any intraday. You use the trading strategy. And first and foremost is our market structure. And you can see here the price was moving up. Then it shifted bearish. Now it's going up. You can easily, that will be scenario number one. Or if not, then you're going to wait for the break. Then we test, then a continuation to the upside. Let's mark it out for clear understanding what I'm talking about. Then from here, you have the break of structure to the upside, external market structure. Then you had the break of structure to the downside from here. Then from there, then we had our order block, which is here, which was respected. And then I think it's weak now. It's not holding more price to the downside. And from here, you can see that we had our break of structure to the upside. Now, what's our plan? Our plan is very simple. You want to see this price coming back to our order sell order block, then we look for confirmation. Then we continue selling. We clear all this liquidity below here, all these stop losses around here. And then this will be our take profit. Just below here, our swing low. And if this order block don't hold this and push the price to the downside, then we're going to focus on a break, then a retest, then a continuation to the upside. Then for UJ is very simple. Yesterday we had a very clean trade, and I'll be making a trade recap and I'll be sending it on Saturday. It was very clean price action, super smart money concept approach. First and foremost is market structure for external market structure, and for the external market structure, we always use that 1 hour. And you can see here we had the break of structure to the downside, then we had the change of character to the upside. That means it's still moving to the upside, external and internal market structure. We're gonna find it out. From here, then we had our order block just below here. This order block had a clean tap. That was a very clean, nice tap in. It was a very clean tap in. Then we had to move to 15 minutes for our internal market structure. From here, then we had the change of character to the upside, which is the internal market structure. And then from here, then we had the break of structure to the upside. Then before we got that continuation break of structure to the upside, we had a clean trade just from this order block here. It was super clean. That last sell to buy that led to the break to the upside. It was a very clean trade. It came in tapping, then it gave us our confirmation, and then we had our clean trade from here to here with a 3 risk reward. It was a very nice trade. It was a very nice trade from here. Then right now we're focusing on this last break of. This is now our current order block from here. Now, what's our plan for this order block? Super simple. Don't overcomplicate trading. You're gonna just wait for the price to come back here, and then we wait and get that buy confirmation. Then we continue buying. Okay, that's it, guys. Peace out.